Install the Bazzlo app on your mobile device. Open the Play Store app. Tap on the search field and type Bazzlo. Look for the Bazzlo app, which is represented by a logo featuring two people shaking hands in blue and orange colors. Once you find it, tap on the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, the Bazzlo app will be ready to use on your mobile device. To sign up, open the Bazzlo app and tap on Skip. After that, you need to select your country and mobile number to register with the application. Tap on Login to wait for the loader. After that, enter your email ID and select the checkbox. Then, tap on the Sign Up button to wait for the OTP. Enter the OTP. After tapping on the Sign Up button, allow permission to share your card with others. A Sync Data Locally Loader pop-up will appear, followed by an Oops pop-up. Tap on OK to proceed to the profile page. Fill in your full name. Profile description is optional, so you can leave that blank. Also, select your designation. You may choose the profile picture from your phone by tapping on the Pick Image icon or button. Select Load from Library option. Grant the media and photos permission by clicking Allow option. Select your pic and tap on OK. Profile image is uploaded successfully message appears. If you want to show a picture on the card slider, remember that it works for your default card or personal cards only. Tap on the Submit button to complete your profile. Finally, Bazzlo will create a default card on your homepage.